Good afternoon, Groomy. Hope you're having a happy Sunday. I'll give you a little walkie through while I'm outside here. I got problems going on I gotta deal with. This is blank right now. I got a cassava, Cassava. It's a tuber. It's an alternative for a fucking French fry. I'm gonna give one a try. It should be here tomorrow. And I got some okra. These are roughly 14-gallon pots, these old muck tubs. Roughly 14 gallons. Old okra's in there. Yeah, everything's crowded, but I don't really care. This is kind of my little edible privacy fence to hide my ladies. Got some jalapenos. This was the same pot I had jalapenos in last year. I probably could have got away with not buying any jalapenos. I think this is one. Oh, I think that's a little jalapeno coming up right there. I did throw seeds and shit in here last year. Same thing with a few of these other plants. But I just planted anyways. There's my Brussels sprout. Another Brussels sprout. Again, crowded. All them, that 4-pack, all the cells had 2 plants in each one. What the hell? I don't care. I'll thin them out. That's my crookneck squash. A big boy mater plant. Some more crookneck squash. I think these are bell peppers. I ain't quite sure. I think they're bell peppers. Zucchini. Another big boy mater plant. Some more zucchinis. This soil here, all these black pots, I went out and got out back by the woods where them great big fucking banana plants or whatever they were was growing. Back where I used to dump my quail poop and all that stuff. I think they'll do fine in there. Oh boy. What we got here? There's the other set of big Bertha peppers, bell peppers, jalapenos, more zucchinis, another big boy mater plant. Nothing in these pots yet. These are waiting on the girls. Still got one big boy mater pot to deal with, big boy mater plant to deal with. I'm a damn, went to cut all my water this morning here on the outside of the house. Fucking heard water pissing underneath the damn trailer. Oh, one of my damn bladder tanks has got a fucking pinhole in it. I put them things in God knows how long ago. I got a dual tank set up. You know, so your well pump don't kick off and on, off and on, off and on every time you flush the toilet or turn the water on. And them hard start and stops are hard on electrical equipment. Same thing in your grow rooms. You know, I like my shit to come on and run for a while, turn off and take a while for it to come back on. I don't like the shit cutting on, cutting off, cutting on, cutting off. It's bad, bad, bad. But anyways, that goddamn thing's gonna cost a fortune nowadays, I'm sure. I might, since I got a dual system, I might just cut everything off and cut that bitch out and cap it. I got a zap screw, rubber zap screw run up in it right now. It's holding for now. It's Sunday. I don't want to open up a can of damn worms. All my damn hardware stores are closed today. We're a Christian community. We don't make a lot of noise on Sundays. These are these um American Beauty berries. Trying to get some cuts going for Jeep Man. I think I'm starting to see a bunch of white bumps. We might be getting something going on. I haven't been doing nothing but changing the water on them. I might give them a little silicone. Put a couple drops of silicone. Silica in there today. Oh, we'll see. Busy, busy, busy. If I can get one of the damn boys to take that damn blue barrel to the damn dump, I might fill that damn thing up with soil and put that tuber in there. But I might have to bring it in for the winter. I don't know if it'll get big enough to harvest by this fall. It might. But you can take cuttings off them for sure and keep that plant going. Oh, there's my little Charlie Brown rig. Who's gonna get Charlie Brown this summer? Time will tell. Still got a shit show here. Old rose bush. I don't know if we're gonna get any plums. I don't know. This thing was in full on bloom. I see a few little plums. Maybe it'll just be big plums this year instead of a bunch of little ones like they were last year. Because these got hit with a frost when they were in full on flower. Freezing rain, actually. So, these might be big plums this year. Howdy doody. Forgot to get me some damn cucumbers. Putting this one, I'll get some tomorrow. And then I got same place I had the Brussels sprouts last year. Same spot. I just got to remember to top them. 18 to 24 inches. Okay, ducky. I hope you have a fantastic day. I am out of here. Peace.